the ninth structure. What is this ninth structure? The structure is I would like to. The structure is I would like to. I would like to after we have to use V1, the first form of the verb. V1 after something. Okay, this is the structure. I would like to. I would like to plus V1. So let's see the usage of this structure. What is this structure? This structure is used to express this structure is used to express a polite and formal way of expressing a desire or preference to perform a specific action. This structure is used to express a and an, a polite and formal way of expressing a desire or preference to perform a specific action. Actually, this structure is used to express in polite way. Actually, whenever we want to express a polite way, means in a polite way, we can use this structure. This is the best structure to express in polite manner. I would like to. After I would like to, we have to use V1, the first form of the verb. Okay, now let's see some examples. I would like to I would like to learn spoken English. I would like to learn spoken English. I would like to learn how to play cricket. I would like to buy a story book. I would like to play in the garden. I would like to play in the garden. I would like to prepare biryani. I would like to prepare biryani. I would like to learn Java, Java course. I would like to speak politely. I would like to write some short stories. I would like to explain this topic. Explain this topic. I would like to learn coding. I would like to learn coding. I would like to attend my friend's marriage. I would like to swim in the river. I would like to meet my friend. I would like to watch a new movie. I would like to start a new branch. I would like to go to USA this year. I would like to run playground. I would like to visit my grandparents. I would like to ride the bike. I would like to join in MNC. Okay, thank you. Let's meet in the next structure.